Hmm. Hello and welcome to today's live session from Let's Talk Digital with Polomi, and I welcome all of you. Uh, so today, as I promised, I'm going to with Polo. As I promised, I'm going to. I hope I'm audible and visible also. Just confirm me. If anybody is here, if you can confirm me on the chat box. Okay. So hello, welcome to today's session. Let's talk digital with Polomi, and today, as I promised, I am going to show you some NFTs. Now, those who are absolute beginner, do not have any idea about NFT, let me tell you about a little bit about NFT. NFTs are actually some graphical art which can be sold in digital marketplace. I'm going to give you some idea about some marketplaces where NFTs are sold, and you can earn Bitcoin. Okay, this is a virtual coin which you can use for transactions as well. Now, if you want to get into the detail of NFT, do let me know uh, what exactly you're looking for, and then on subsequent sessions I will try to arrange as dedicate one particular session on NFT only, and I'll narrate you every possible thing about NFT there. But today my main motto is to design NFT. Now, previously we used to have an idea that NFT can only be designed with the help of some complicated softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro and uh, basically Adobe Premiere Pro, Lightroom and all that. But that's not a fact now. You don't have to go into the intrinsic coding in Java and other coding languages. You don't really have to have any coding idea. Rather, you can leverage one software which I very often use, that is NFT. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Okay, thank you. Yeah, so basically the rule for NFT is that uh, NFT is basically having one, you will have to choose one niche, right? So let me show you some live NFTs, then I will come to the demonstration. Okay, let me show you some NFT selling platforms. Let me just show you how NFTs look like. Okay, so here if I search tiger, suppose I search by tiger, because I'm going to give you a demonstration on tiger theme. See, on tiger there are many NFTs. These are all NFTs, and you see these BDSDs. These are the amount which is given which is allotted for these NFTs. Okay, so here you can see different theme, and around this theme there are different elements, like here on this tiger they have given one balloon kind of a thing, and then there is a kind of on the head there is some bondage or something like this, and then at the background there is a beautiful background. Same happens for this as well. There's a dynamic background here, a video background rather. This is again a still background. So basically this NFT is same formed NFT is this, and if you see the creator is same, both tiger yacht club. So if you get into board tigers yacht club, you will see behind one particular theme they have created many like just changing the element and background, they have created many such versions. Okay, so uh, This Meta Tiger Club, this is also a very famous club which sells NFT in different platforms. You see this Meta Tiger Club, they have created so many types of NFTs behind around this same theme of an abstract tiger face here, right? So I hope you have understood that NFT has two parts. One is you'll have to you'll have to make a niche, okay, build a niche, meaning either you take a tiger or a teddy bear or a penguin or a shark or a metaverse. Like I have created these three NFTs. If you can see here, my main subject matter is these faces, metaverse, these faces. I tried to show the world of metaverse. So uh, this is the main subject matter, and around it I have applied different text format, different background, different elements. Here also the same, these two faces are same, I have applied another face, and there can be very advanced kind of an NFT design. Also there can be very simple basic NFT designs. Okay, so one thing is I am going to use everything for free, like whatever I'm going to use here to create the NFT, that will be free element from Canva. Okay, now let me tell you one small thing. As because I am using free elements, but I am actually not going to sell it, but those who are learning this in order to sell, they will have to keep one small thing in mind, that there should not be any copyright claim. So what I prefer is I do not straight away use it. I will have to change the subject matter in such a way so that no copyright claim comes. Okay, so if I keep this tiger face just as it is and just a little bit of changes, give a text here around, or just change the background, then there might be a copyright claim. Therefore, add as many like different backgrounds and different elements as possible, so that there is no copyright claim moving forward. Because if you are really selling it, you are basically earning out of it, so there could be copyright claims. So having said that, let me show you what exactly I'm going to create. Using this face, tiger face, I am going to show you two templates. One is this one and another is this one. Now these two I'm going to show you here, but I have made a comprehensive basic tutorial on how I created these these two and this last one with Chippy effect. So if you want to check that as well, I will be attaching that link in the description or somewhere around this video. You can go and check it once this live stream is over, right? So let us first use this one. Just click here and duplicate. This is a duplicate page option, just duplicate it, that's all. Okay, and bring it, just move down this arrow, downwards arrow, you just click it 3 times to bring it downwards. Okay, now first let me take this one. What I'll do is I'll go to background and I will select the main picture, the background, and I will in the element section I will in the element section I will go and check background. Let me see if I can find this background. It's not necessary that I will be getting the same background today. If I'm just checking if I can. I'm not sure whether it was a free background or not, but I'm going to use a free background only. Okay, fine. I'm not sure. Since I'm not sure, I have got a beautiful video background. So let me take this one. Okay, I have just typed background. I'll just scroll down a bit and I'm going to take this one. Okay, so I'll just drag it here. This is a video background. You can take any static background as well. There are many options in static background. But let me take this free video background. Okay, just drag it here, right click and set this as background. Okay. Now when I am moving this tiger face, you see there is a line here. I will just scale it a little bit more so that you can see properly. So when I am dragging this tiger face, I am getting this cross purple lines, these bleeds. These give me an indication that my main subject matter is at the middle, right? Now next is I will have to bring this glow effect around it, right? How do I do that? select this tiger face, right click and okay, select this and come here and duplicate either this way or else select this Control D from keyboard, Control D. Okay, so it will make two copies of it. So one I will keep which one is in the front, and the second one I will drag here. Now keeping it selected, I'll go to edit image option. Then I will go to duotone option. Now I use duotone very often, that's why it is coming in the recently used tab. But if you don't find it, don't worry, either you search it here in the search bar, duotone, D-U-O-T-O-N-E. Otherwise you scroll a little bit downwards, there will be duotone available here. So you click on duotone. Okay. Now I have taken this pomelo effect. You can see there are many different effects under duotone. So you can choose any one, whatever you want. I have taken pomelo effect there, so I am choosing this one. So keeping it selected, just click on pomelo, select it. Okay. Now you will see this this color has been changed, but this color is yellow only. But here I get this purplish pink color and yellow. So how do I change it? You see these small buttons here in pomelo effect. As soon as I will select this, these buttons will be activated. I'll have to select this. This is the adjustment button. Now from here I will just change this red pinkish red color to a sweet yellow color. I will come to yellow. I will just take this yellow color. Then I will go to this add color and I can make it even more sharp yellow. Okay. So yes. So this much is okay. After this, I am good with intensity. If you want to change the intensity and reduce it, then the background color, the real color of the subject will come out. But I don't want that. I want to have the maximum intensity. So I will keep the scale till here in 1 and then simply apply it. So the first part is done. But still, this is a glowing effect. This is not having any glowing effect. This is just a straightforward yellow colored same face in yellow color. I don't want that. So I will come to adjustment. Again adjustment comes here, or else you will, if you scroll down, you'll get all the adjustment options here. So I will just go to see all. I will increase the brightness. Okay, around I think 35 is okay. Contrast also, and saturation a little bit. Now I will make it little blurred. Getting my point? So you can maximize it as much as you want. I will make it even brighter and boom. Now I will place it at the middle. Make it little large. Place it at the middle. Now bring this and keep it here. Okay. Now just select the back one and just reduce the size a bit. Okay. Now I will just select this one and the back one, press shift in the keyboard and both together and group together. Okay, now they are grouped. Now you can increase the size as well, and this is how my final video is looking like. Okay, so so this is how if I just show you, let me just check. Yeah. So this is how the final NFT is looking like. Okay. So I think I can even shift it little leftwards. I can just keep it here like this, so that this crease is, you see there is a straight line here. So it won't be visible. So I can just hide it, keeping it here, and that way this video also will be visible. Now let us see how is it looking. Yeah, much better, isn't it? So this is how you create different NFTs which is having one subject matter and a background. Background can be static or dynamic. Okay. Now let's move forward. So here we have seen how to create this beautiful glow effect by using duotone. Now using only duotone, you can create different color themes, right? You change this background and you keep changing the duotone and keep the face same. That itself will give you the, 10 15 different variety of NFTs on one theme, right? But I want to give you more options, so why don't we go ahead and create something of this sort. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's just duplicate it, as because I have already given you the background. This is a free background, I guess. So background part I think is clear. Let me just delete it. Okay, so I will if I don't want this background, I can just right click and detach the background. Okay, but this background is fine for me, so I will just select the background, set as background. Okay, now again I will go ahead and take this tiger picture. Let me just control C, copy it and paste it here. Correct. Now just keep it aside. Okay, now come to elements and type frame. Enter. Now scroll a little downwards. Now you see all these letter shaped frames or alphabet frames are available. Choose one. As because this is a tiger theme, I will choose T. If you are making with maybe an eagle, then take E. If you are making with rabbit, take R. So any letter you can choose. Okay. Now let me go to photos. This fifth icon, photos, and type tiger. Enter. Now I will have to choose one tiger picture. So anyone which can give me a resonance with this face, I can choose that. So as because my face is little leftwise, I will choose some picture which can give me that effect. So it should be having a background. That's what I want to mean. Okay, I can even take this picture. I can take this picture and just give it here, keep it here, and or else I'll just right click, detach image, delete. Let me take this image. Okay. Now I'll just put the image here. Now I will place the image here. Okay. The face should be facing the front. Make T larger. Okay. Got it. Now keep it at the middle. Again this grid, you see this grid appeared. Okay. It's at the middle. Now select this picture, this tiger photo. Sorry, the tiger face, which is my main NFT subject matter. And you can do one thing. You can just as because I feel this tiger face is little dark in shade compared to this pictures one. Let me do one thing. Let me just modify the picture first. Okay, detach image, right? Let me show you that. Let me keep the T aside, bring it here and go to image. If you want to crop it from both the sides a little bit, you can do it as per your convenience. Okay, then I will just change this brightness little more and see all. I will increase the saturation. That way, if I increase the saturation is basically responsible for making the colors vibrant. As soon as I give more saturation, it affects uh, the color, the pixel of the colors. Okay, so as soon as I have given saturation, I see this orange far has become more vibrant. The background green grass has become even more vibrant. Let me show you the original picture. You can make the difference. See, one more thing. When I bring any picture here, it kind of sucks, right, in this frame. So to get rid of it, what I can do, I can press Control and bring it here. Just press Control and bring it here. It will not get inside the frame. Okay. Now you see the difference of color combination. Okay, so that's the charm of Canva. You can do basically anything very easily. If you're beginner, it's very beginner friendly software. That's what I feel. So I'm done. Almost I'm okay with it. if I want to give it a little bit tint, I can go ahead and a little bit tint I can add towards yellow orangey shade. If that gives a better effect, let me just check. Okay, so I think this much is okay, right? So I am done with it. Now I will just place it here inside it, and let me bring my tiger's face here. Okay, now I am okay with it. Now my job is to bring this, but this tiger face has gone backwards, because Canva always Canva algorithm works as per the layers. The background is not a layer. Background is just a frame, just a framework which on which we place the layer. That is the optimal. That's the end one. Okay, so that's why background is not considered as a layer. Anything over background, any element. If I choose this picture over this, then this is the third background. First is this T, and inside that there is that picture, that's the first one. T, this letter frame, is the second one. These are associated now, and then third one is this face, and the fourth one is this picture. Okay, so now if I want this to be in the front, then I will simply click it, right click, bring to front. This is one way. Okay, bring to front, this is one way. Again, let me bring, and if you want to send something back, just right click and send backward. Okay, now second is I would request my viewers to keep the chat okay live, but don't expect me to answer all your queries at this moment. After the session is over, after the demonstration is over, I'll answer all your questions. Yes, I do coaching, and I have an app. I will give you all the detail eventually. You stay in the live session. Once my demonstration is done, I'll definitely tell you everything. Okay, so let us finish it off. So I will just, this is one way. Another way is click on this, go to position and forward, and if you want it to be sent backward, just click backward. Okay, so for now I want it to be forwarded, so I'm just keeping it here. Now I will just press Control and I will place it here. Now see, my tiger is here, very good, but how about this neck? I don't want this neck to be outside both the sides, right? From both the sides. I want just this face to be like from the left hand side. I want this face to be outwards. So what do I do? First, let me finish, doing the size should be same. Okay, it should not be very abstract, right? Though these are two different pictures, but size should be same. That's what I say. Now once this one is done, size is okay, then keeping it selected, you go to crop. Okay, now from side you just crop it till here. Voila, done. So now just select it, you can just adjust a little bit, you can bring it downwards, and then you just select all together, drag it and get select. This will get selected. This is one way. Otherwise, select the T, press shift, select the face, group it. Okay, now position it at the middle, make it large, enlarge it as much as you want. Just let me decrease the size a bit. Okay, so I'm okay with it. Now if I want this T to be at the middle like this only, I will simply lock it. Now I cannot move it, right? So here I come, I have done already, I'm done with this, but though the picture was different, I took some other picture. That does not matter. I have given you the right way, I have shown you the right way how I created this, so you basically can create anything. Now friends, if you're liking it, and I can see many people are giving me likes, let me show you another trick which is not related to NFT. Okay, let me duplicate this. If I do not consider this effect to be, this is a bonus tip, this is not this one, I didn't have a plan to show you this, but since people are here and giving me likes, so let me show you this trick. Okay, first I will select this, let me ungroup it. First, unlock. Any locked element cannot be modified, so first the element has to be unlocked. Okay, So as soon as I select this lock option will appear, only lock option I'll have to unlock. Once it is done, then let me just ungroup it. Now I can delete any object. I will delete this, okay, and I will just right click and detach this image. Now as I told you, press control from the keyboard, okay. Now I really want this face to be outside T. I don't want that other graphical face to be in front. Like this face, I don't want. I want the original tiger's face to be out of this T. How do I do that? I will select this and I will go to edit image option. Now, this is what I'm going to show. This is a pro feature. Okay, but I will give you another alternative way to do the same functionality for free. So for now, first let me show you from Canva. Those who are using Canva Pro, I have also made another tutorial on how to get Canva Pro for absolutely free by TeamLink, or if you're having your university ID card and mail ID, then also you can get Canva Pro for absolutely free with the help of student developer pack. I have created um, another video on that, so please refer to that. I will also attach that link around this video, but let me show you from where actually Canva provides the option. This is the option background remover. First you select this and Control D, duplicate, okay. The duplicate one you keep at the back and select this one and go to background remover. This will remove the background, but it will remove the other edited, you know, like the edited the picture, whatever whatever effects I have added to this, that will be removed. Now let me see if at times Canva shows some bug and they are unable to remove the background, but luckily this one they have removed, so I will apply. But friends, this is a pro version. You can get pro for free. So you can basically do it for free if you are having a pro version, but I will give you another option as well. You can go to BG remove. You can go to this BG remove. This is a free version. Okay, here you can upload any image and it will seamlessly remove the background. The same functionality what I have shown you here will be given here as well, but it is free of cost. So if you are not having any Canva Pro account, you can go to remove BG option. Okay, now the thing is, my tiger is here. Now let me bring it down. Okay, now I want this tiger to be having the same color contrast, which is gone, right? So what I'll do is I'll just come here. I will go to this adjustment, see all option. Now you see this filter code, simply copy this. Okay, now come here and go to see all. Here you just paste it. Boom, done. Okay, so I have exact same colored tiger but without background. Now I will simply add one page here and put my tiger aside. Okay, now let me bring this T at the middle and let me take this picture here, double click and bring the tiger at the middle. Okay, bring the tiger at the middle and bring your T at the middle. Now simply drag this tiger. Okay, you'll have to just crop it. Now before cropping you have another thing. You will have to just enlarge the size and you'll have to put it on top of this tiger and you'll have to make sure the size is same, otherwise it will look really odd. Okay, so size has to be same. Again control, see it is getting sucked inside, so control, always place you'll have to press control. See, still the tiger is not big enough, so what I'll do is I'll just crop it because I actually need only the face part. Okay, so I really don't need so much, so I'll just crop it here. I just need the face and I will simply make it large. Again select control and select control and just bring it, sorry, select this one, then control, and the, what is happening? Yes, select the picture first, then press control. Okay, now this is done. You can press shift and both you can select and group together. Okay, so one more thing is I will just ungroup. One more thing is, in this picture you see this sides I don't want, I just want till here. So what I'll do is, I will go to edit image again, background remover. This one again possible by this remove BG option. Okay, so let me see how it turns out. I will just drag it here. Okay, background remover. Now don't apply. You go to this erase brush. Same brush will be there. Now what I'll do, I will just remove this part. I don't want this. Be little vigilant. Just remove this part, and then you can change the size. You can make it larger and simply remove the rest of the tiger part. I just want the face, right? I don't even want one side of the face. Both sides I don't want. I just want one side. So I will keep this one side only to give it a 3D effect. Now you will see the magic. Okay, once I'm satisfied, you go to done. Now I will just drag it here. Okay, and let me come here again, paste it, Control A, Control V, face changed. Now one more bug is there. See, as soon as I shifted the space, the place from here to here, again these things have come back. This is a bug. Okay, so let me again go to BG remove. This is one bug. Okay, this is one of the biggest problem with Canva. So let me just remove it once again. It is simply taking time, and then I will just adjust it. This is one problem with Canva. Many people do face it. They are working on it, definitely. But for now, this is an inconvenience. Okay, let me make it a little smaller, and okay, now see, I have by mistake I have done this. So what I'll do is, I will go to this restore brush, and I'll simply restore this part. Okay, and then I will go to erase, and minutely I will just minutely remove this part. Okay, once I'm done with it, go to done and apply, see all, select this, Control A, Control V, Control V. I don't know why is it not taking. Okay, now it has taken. Now press shift, Control, and select this, press Control and bring it in the front. Okay, so now that is pretty much it. You can give other effects to blur these. There is another effect called circle blur. Okay, circle blur. You can circle fade. You can take circle fade effect. Sorry, you'll have to go to element and give circle fade. So let me see which one. Okay, you can take this one, and no, this one is not having that color. There was a red one. I don't know where is it gone. Okay, so you can just change this a little bit. You can blur it from here. But this is not the one which I'm looking for. Anyway, there was some circle fade. This is another effect which I very often use, or shatter effect also you can use. Splash. this effect. You can use this and change the color from here. If you come downwards, you will get this tiger's color. So you can use this and you can just make it small and you can give it a beautiful effect. You can just keep it selected and give it a beautiful shatter effect. You can keep duplicating and add it here. So on shatter effect also I have made another tutorial. You can go and check it, explore my YouTube channel. So like this you can make different effects. Now I'm not saying that you need to do all this for creating an NFT happens to be very simple. So keep your style, your format very simple and try it as a beginner. I'm sure you will be able to sell or at least explore this section. So now let me come to your questions. So if there is any comment, no, I cannot see any comment. I am creating a poll if you can see. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Today I just wanted to show you this, and thank you so very much for staying here today. Yeah, create different types of design, different effects. I've tried to given you a little more input. Maybe it is little overwhelming. You can just pause the video time to time. Later you can just watch it. The recording will be available. So yeah, thank you so very much. And somebody was asking me about my tuition. Yes, I do mentor for this Canva like I train freshers and beginners in Canva. I am a Canva champion. I've got that recognition from Canva itself. So I try to help freshers. So if you are interested, do let me know. I will be giving you two options. One is you can join on my Facebook group and ask me there. Otherwise, you can, best way is I will be attaching my WhatsApp group link there. You definitely join there in WhatsApp and get all those intimation. You can follow my Facebook, this particular group where I would be posting my early bird offer, which is coming a very new course is coming in our VAGPE media app, which is launching in next 2 days time. So I would be keeping you posted. If you're interested to learn or get a demonstration or demo class, book a demo class, do let me know in the WhatsApp group. Definitely join there and I will definitely stay in touch with you. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you so very much for staying here today. I will come back with some fun tutorial next week, some fun demonstration on Canva next week. And in the last segment, I usually keep one book review, but today I am just keeping it because the time actually I took is pretty long for this demonstration. But I can assure you next week again I'm going to give you some amazing tips from some great book. So just hang on and come back on next live session and I'll see you there. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.